My name is Ron Seiden and I'm with JSD Inc. And as an engineer, I have invented what we call the Roarer, a remote on a retractable elastic rope. This patented pending item is inspired by the fact that for years I've complained, especially in bed, about losing the remote control for the TV. This problem got exacerbated when we bought twin remote controlled beds, and so now we had 3 remotes plus one for the PVR, and the problem of losing them in the blankets falling on the floor was very disruptive to our sleep. Not to mention that the same problem is occurred in bedrooms, not just in bedrooms, but in family rooms and dens. And there's a plethora of remote controls for fans, for lights. They even have talking remote controls now, but the problem is they always get lost and you can't find them. So with the Roarer, you will never lose your primary remote control again. You simply peel from the strip, the backing, and attach your remote control to it. When it's installed in your bedroom, it will be at the desired height that you prefer and always available to you and your partner if you mount the Roarer in the middle of the bed. The Roarer is installed with 2 brackets, either to the back of the headboard or to the wall or to a piece of furniture. Even could be mounted to a end table in your den or family room and moved around to where you require it. There is a separate video on how to mount it, and all the mounting hardware is included. It is simply 2 screws, and in fact there's even a spacer block so that if you have a picture on the wall and you're mounting it to the wall, the Roarer would be set off so that it would not interfere. The Roarer can be adjusted in height simply by, after it's installed, by installing this pin at whatever height you require. In addition to the main remote control, there are 2 additional strips provided with every Roarer, and you can attach other remotes to these locations, and they are removable, same as the main one. The Roarer also includes an adjustable light, which is USB powered. There is a splitter block here. USB power can be supplied with an optional 10-foot long cable that is connected to the charging module for your phone and plugged into your wall socket. The additional USB ports can be used for installing a short charging cable for your phone, which can be attached in this manner so that in addition to having the light, you can be charging your phone as well. In fact, the mounting arrangement at this location is stretchable enough to even accommodate iPads. The other feature of the Roarer is that if you are using a breathing CPAP machine, this loop can be used to support the breathing line in this manner, so that while you're sleeping and tossing and turning, the supply line will follow you and not disrupt your sleep. So there you have it, the Roarer, the remote on a retractable elastic rope by JSD Inc. Thank you very much.